Hello, class 1. How are you? Now, class 1, you are going to listen to the numbers rhyme.
Song 3.2 The Numbers Rhyme.
1, 2, 3, 4. Point to the whiteboard, point to the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point to the window, point to the floor. One, 2, 3, 4. Point to the whiteboard, point to the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point to the window, point to the floor.
These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my head, 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 head. I move my eyes, eyes, eyes. I move my nose, 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 nose. I move my ears, ears, ears. I move my mouth, 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 mouth. I move my neck, 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 neck. I move my shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. I move my stomach, 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 stomach. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my arms, 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 arms. I move my elbows, elbows, elbows. I move my hands, 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 hands. I move my fingers, fingers, fingers. I move my legs, legs, legs. I move my knees, knees, knees. I move my feet, 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 feet. I move my toes, toes, toes. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my head, 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 head. I move my eyes, eyes, eyes. I move my nose, 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 nose. I move my ears, ears, ears. I move my mouth, 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 mouth. I move my neck, 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 neck. I move my shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. I move my stomach, 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 stomach. I move my arms, 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 arms. I move my elbows, elbows, elbows. I move my hands, 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 hands. I move my fingers, fingers, fingers. I move my legs, legs, legs. I move my knees, knees, knees. I move my feet, 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 feet. I move my toes, toes, toes. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body, from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, shoulders, stomach, arms, elbows, hands, fingers, legs, knees, feet, toes.
Now, class 1, I want you to open your class book, page 23. You have to listen to the audio, then you have to match the correct body parts to the numbers.
Listening 3.2
Number 1 is an arm. Number 2 is a foot. Number 3 is a head. Number 4 is a hand. Number 5 is a leg.
In this activity, you have to open your class book page 24. You are going to listen to the audio and circle the correct teddy bear.
Listening 3.3.
I've got a yellow head. I've got a blue body. I've got a green arm. 2 green arms. I've got a red leg. 2 red legs.
Now, class 1, I want you to open your skills book page 18. In activity number 3, you have to write the letters nicely. In activity number 4, you have to circle the letters. In activity 1, you have to count the objects and match them to the correct numbers. When you finish doing activity number 1, you have to do activity number 2. You have to write the letters N and M, N, M nicely. Now, class 1, I want you to open your skills book page 20. In activity number 3, you have to count the objects and write the correct numbers in the small boxes. In activity number 4, you have to circle the letters. Goodbye, class 1. Have a nice time.